The reason why trust is still on the to-do list of things that you should have or acquire is because if by default you don't have one, you are property of the state. You were elected to have the state be your mama and daddy. So not having one, that's what essentially that's what it means. And that's how they gonna treat you accordingly. Like you are property of the state. So if you elect not to have your or establish your own estate in light of actually knowing that you need to do one, you just don't do it, then you choosing to have your family and your kids be property of the state and choosing to have your word, your lazy word, because you refuse to act on the things that you need to do in order to establish yourself and your family. So yeah, you need trust to show that you are competent enough and sovereign. In the same capacity, these trustees that's being elected by these other citizens, you establish your own trust for your family and your private entity, your private trust with your members of your family. Y'all elect to handle business the way y'all elect to handle business and conduct business, and y'all hold meetings, and y'all buy property, land for the benefit of your beneficiaries in the same capacity of how the Most High ordained us to express ourselves. Um, so it's always it's still important. The lights go out and everybody like, I ain't got my ID, I ain't got your social security card, you ain't got whatever. That those identifying marks of being property of the state. If you ain't got your own thing, you ain't got your own flag, you ain't got your own seal, you ain't got your own ID, you ain't got your own name, you ain't got your own anything, who's gonna believe you when you say you are not a slave?